Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to upload a Minecraft world called the NekoHosting knowledge, and we'll be demonstrating on how you can upload your world safely through SFTP. Let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and go to my account. Make sure you log in. Once you are logged in, you can always go to this login to panel. This will automatically bring up to our gaming dashboard. Go to manage. Then you can see we don't have a server up. However, we can always change the Minecraft server through our change versions panel. I recommend per because that gives you a lot of benefits and you can configure whatever you want. Hit on perp. I'm going to use the latest version of per. Version has changed successfully. If this does not say that, please contact us. That means there's something wrong with your startup panels, which can be here. And oh, that's interesting. It is gone. We'll have to fix that in a later update. We can go to our files. You would think you would just upload it here, but we're going to instead use the SFTP route, which gives you right here under settings. So you would want to use a program called like FileZilla. I'm using a pro version because I do a lot of SFTP myself. If you're on a browser, you can probably launch the SFTP button, which I've never seen it actually work at all. So instead, we're just gonna copy this manually. Oh, that's right. So issues we cannot connect is we never actually set a password for this user account. To set a password, we're going to have to do is we're going to log out. We're going to hit forgot password, then send it through your email. So I'm just going to copy. Oh, we're just going to copy this. Send a password. Since this email doesn't actually exist, I'm going to have to go and fish it out. So now we're going to reset our password. I'm going to just match the one. Reset our password. There we go. Never save. Never trust your browsers to save your password. Use a password manager instead. Alright, so now we reset our password. Quickly connect. There we go. Usually resetting your password is instant and should be applied to every server that you might have. So now we're inside of our Minecraft files. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete the worlds because I don't know what's on them. The easier way to delete them, go to files. This is the most efficient way to delete files. Do not delete files through SFTP because there you go. So you look at that and that was just instant. I don't know. Reconnect. I don't know what it's doing. There we go. There we go. So let's go ahead and go to our downloads. I want to download this Minecraft world that I've gotten off from the internet. Let's go ahead and extract this. This file is 132 megabytes. So you might have worlds that might be bigger. So since all the files, we have the level.dat file in here. We want to go back and just upload this. Technically, you could just upload the zip file into the SFTP and then extract it, but it's easier just to do it this way. Name this to world. Yeah, I'm dumb. I forgot to do that. Let's go ahead and try this again. Of course it didn't error because the world, it just created a new world. So let's go ahead. You could safely ignore these because these are migrating two different types of files. Now it's done. Let's go ahead and load our world. Ah, here we go. You guys might remember this if you played on console edition or the last days of the console edition. Good. This is the tutorial world, the last tutorial world of the aquatic update for Xbox 360. And to be honest, Bedrock Edition is horrible. Nailed it. So if you guys ever play Bedrock Edition, it is highly horrible, and you guys never should just not ever play Bedrock Edition in my opinion. But I get it. People play on consoles, and that's the only edition they can play. Unless they have a disc drive and play Xbox One Edition, like I can. Anyways, I've downloaded the tutorial world, I got no issues, and make sure I will tell you this once. If your Minecraft world is newer than the world that you're trying to load it in, it will not work. It will give you an error. Do not try this. The best way to make sure the world is on a lower version, for example, if your world is on 1.20.1, you should have a Minecraft version that's newer than 1.20.1 or the same exact version. If you try running a world that was recently in, let's say, 1.20.4, and you're trying to run 1.20.1, you're not going to be able to do this unless you're running vanilla. Or you somehow download the world to single player, converted all the blocks with, I don't know, a data pack with chunks to 1.20.1, but that's really a hassle, and you shouldn't be doing that, and it's very inconvenient. So you might as well just run the latest version of Minecraft, if possible. Because to be honest, plugins adapt to Minecraft's code and not the other way around, like mod. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the SFTP edition on uploading your Minecraft world. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.